Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how one can actually eliminate the items which are there present in quick access of Windows, especially in Windows 10, and how you can eliminate those items. So first of all, let me show you what are the items I'm talking about. So if you click on File Explorer, this is basically File Explorer. You click on it, you see there is an option of quick access, right? So this option, quick access, and you see there are certain items which are pinned by Windows, and there are certain items, for example, book folder, I have pinned it, SP21, and so on, right? But there are items which don't have been pinned either by Windows by default or by you, but they are there because you have recently used them. So these folders which are present, or these are the recently accessed items which are present over there, you want to eliminate them from your quick access just to clear the memory. So how you can do it? What you have to do, you have to click on this window button. You see in the left bottom, you click on it and you write File Explorer options, right? If you just write File Explorer, you will find it. I will write it again for you. Click on this window button and you will write simply File Explorer. See, I've just written File Explorer, and I'm already observing File Explorer option, and some other options. So I want to go to File Explorer options and I will click on it. And you see in Journal window, there are three different tabs. So in Journal tab, there is a privacy tab available. If you are observing it, let me again highlight it for you. So this tab I'm talking about, right? This privacy tab, if you see, this is the privacy word written over here, and this is a privacy tab. So what you have to do, you can simply clear them from this option. So what are these? If you are observing it, it says show recently used files in quick access. So you can I have checked it. So that's why these are appearing here. Show frequently used folders in quick access, so those folders will also be appeared, right? And if you want to clear that history, you have to just click on this clear button and press OK. And if you have noticed, I haven't pressed OK yet, but if you are observing the background window of the File Explorer, you see there are only pinned items are shown now. So all those items which have been there, but now they are gone because you have cleared them from this option, clear, and you can press OK. So I hope you have learned this thing from this tutorial. If you have any question regarding that, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.